Hi, it's Joan. This week, we're just going to look at one of the hands that comes up more than any other type, and that is a 4-4-2-3 shape. And here is just a minimum opening hand. We're playing 5-card majors, we can't open a heart, so we just open one diamond. Partner bids one spade, and we would now rebid one no trump. Our second bid is one no trump, shows a hand that couldn't open one no trump, so less than 15 and balanced. Partner here should have 11, 12 and can't quite go to 3 themselves. Is there anything good about this hand? Not particularly. They're asking us if we can possibly go 3. Well, I don't think we can. Although 2 no trumps is a rotten contract in bridge, it's usually better to be in 3 or 1, not 2. So we're in 2. We've got to make 8 tricks. They lead the 7 of diamonds. We're not sure what that is, but we could try the rule of 11, which means subtracting the 7 from 11, and that means there's only 1 card higher, but that may or may not be the case. What are we going to do for 8 tricks? Let's promote the hearts. We've got hearts and spades we need to promote. Here comes a diamond. They win the 8. Now they're cashing the queen, which at least will set our jack up. And we've got to promote spades too, but they're doing it for us. And with the hearts, they've taken, now they've taken 5 tricks. There are no more tricks that they can take. So that is very good. 2 no trumps here was the only contract we could make. All the rest of the tricks are ours. We're throwing away winners. But we made only 8 tricks. So sure enough, they led their 4th highest, and this person played the king. We won the ace. We could have made 2 diamond tricks, 3 club tricks, but then we were missing the ace, king of hearts, and the ace of spades. So being in 2, although it's not an optimum contract, sometimes when we can't push to 3, it's better to be in 2. But when I say I'd rather be in 3 and getting the game bonus, or in 1 and not risking going down, that's what I mean, that 2 is in the middle. It's a rather awkward position to be in 2 no trumps. Still, it worked today. So all good. Try the hand yourself. It's from my play section.